Right, so I'm going to try this, see how this works. So today's objective is making a whole. So we're working on decimals again. The starter, why don't you try and make up a song to remember the 8 times tables? So you might have done some work on 8 times tables. See if you can make up a song to help you remember the whole set of times tables. Remember, you can pause this video at any time and come back to it later. And I'm going to crack on with the rest of the lesson. Look at this tens frame. How many tenths are red? I'll put it in the part whole model for you. How many tenths are yellow? What do you reckon you'll be able to complete that sentence there? Say it out loud to someone. Pause the video if it helps. And here's the answer. So yeah, there's 3 tenths of red, 7 tenths of yellow, and together those parts make a whole. So 3 tenths plus 7 tenths make one whole. Right, we're going to ramp it up a little bit now. Sam's gone and shaded part of 100 square. How many hundredths has he shaded? So how many more hundredths does he need to shade the whole, the one whole? So you might be able to see there's 100 square. If he's got 3 lots of 10 plus 3 more, how many is that? And then how many other hundredths does he need to make the whole? Have a think about that. Pause the video if you need it. Say that sentence out loud. And yep, pretty sure you guys got that one right. Sam has shaded 33 hundredths and he needed 67 hundredths to make the whole. Let's try that one more time because you're having so much fun. How many hundredths are shaded there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 10 plus that many there. So how many hundredths make that part? How many more hundredths we need to make the whole? I'm going to change the slide. Say that sentence out loud. Boom. 56 hundredths and 44 hundredths are needed. Now here's a little challenge for you. See if you can say this. What's needed to the part whole model for each of these? So make one whole by adding more hundreds. They're a bit small, aren't they? What about that one? How many more hundreds do you need to make that a whole? What about that one? It's a bit harder. You might want to pause the video and then I'm going to crack on. Oh, there you go. So there was 12 extra hundreds you needed there, and then this one had 79 hundreds. But we're going to get onto the crux of the problem for today. This is the part whole model. How many tenths would you need to make that part whole model there? So you've got 0.2, you've got 2 tenths. How many would you need to make one whole? Can you say that sentence there? It's going to change over. Pretty sure you would have got that one right. So this is the main problem for today. Choose your level of challenge. Can you complete some of these part whole models? Like, you know, the usual score. You've got your walking, running, cycling, flying. Choose which level of challenge you want. These slides will be on the Google Classroom, so you can check them out there. Or you could pause this video now if you wanted to look at this. But for now, I'm going to quickly move on to the final bit of the lesson. Once you've completed them, it's the plenary. Try and make 3 of your own part whole models in a similar style, so using tenths or hundreds. Let me know how this works out on Class Dojo or something. See you later.